standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end that you will want to become friends and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So I was a little confused. I got my Ipsy bag in the mail and I opened it and I saw this. I really think that this is April's bag. So I was like, wait a minute. And I went and checked the numbers for shipping and they were different. And I thought, maybe Ipsy messed up and sent this to me. And then I realized I had another account that sometimes I use, and apparently I ordered 2 Ipsy bags this month. But this is not the correct bag, the drawstring bag. It's not the correct for this month. So I'm not really sure what's going on there, but we are going to open her up and I'm going to share with you what we have today for this unboxing. So it is June. It's 2022, and Ipsy, you get to choose 3 items out of the 5 for, what is it, $28, I believe it is. And this month they're going to be, either this month or next month, they're going to be starting to, I think it's next month, a $1.99 handling fee in there. And it's just, I mean, I did a shorts video on the price increase, but yes, they are increasing the price in the Glam Bag X, and they're adding a handling fee to that as well. And yeah, that's just where we're at. All right, let's see what we got. I'm just gonna pull everything out. All right. I will put prices on the screen for you guys and the total value. I have now emptied the bag, and here we are. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I say repeats. I just got this. Okay, Ipsy and Boxycharm, yes, we are now getting repeats, lots of them. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum, which I know has a $72 value because I just unboxed this in my Boxycharm Face Box. Right, I do think Juice Beauty is overpriced, but I'll use it. You know, if you're going to get it, you're going to use it. I do have a set of brushes from MOTD Cosmetics, and they're actually really cute. They're sparkly. Let's see what kind of brushes these are. Ooh, powder brushes. What does this one say? The F555, your new journey. All right. And the F777, your magic. So here they are here. These feel pretty good, nice and soft, and I always love brushes, and then I get to put off washing my brushes even longer. Okay, next we have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. What's the shade? Hustler Baby. Oh, that's cute. All right, let's open her up. Here she is. Hustler Baby, that's cute. Ooh, she is pretty. Let's put her on. Okay. Wow, I like. Nice and creamy, blending out great. All right, let's move on. Okay, we have Lauren Conrad. Who is she? I have no idea. It says the eyeliner. Not a eyeliner, not a black eyeliner, the eyeliner. And the shade is Onyx, so it's black. All right, let's pull it out. I am running out of black liquid liner, so this is good. Okay, here is the packaging. Let's swatch her. She has that fill tip, so it looks kind of like a marker, but the end part is like bendy, which is kind of cool because that really does help when you're doing a wing, and y'all know me, I love wings. Okay, so here it is here. Happy about that. And the last item is a repeat. I got this when I re-signed up for Ipsy a couple months ago. It was probably in April. So it's the Bomb and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. There are 8 shades in here. And here she is here. She is pretty. I will say that. Very, very pretty. And it looks like you got 4 matte shades and then a little bit of shimmer in here. I don't know. What do you guys think? She's nice and neutral. It says it's clean beauty. Has anybody used this brand yet? Let me know that down in the comments. Let's recap. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow palette. I'll put the value on the screen. Then the brushes, the liquid eyeliner, the Fenty Beauty highlights, and the Juice Beauty organic solution. Let's just open her up. Here she is here. I think I'm going to try using her again because I really didn't see any results the last time that I did, but here it is here. Let me just rub it in. Ooh, the scent. What does that smell like? Lemon Pledge. That's exactly what that smells like. It's supposed to be a serum? Yeah, okay. So tell me what you think of my box down in the comments below. I look forward to talking with you there, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red button if you enjoy unboxings, and I'll see you real soon in another video.